The next prophecy. I saw a lot of ants eating the flag of NPP.
And this government is what has brought this nonsense. They are going out of power 2024. I'm speaking, I don't fear them. They thought they would bring me down. Kufa donkwa bedi akunya and to trust someone kwa. Make us tie me nisro. They said they member empire mauda.
Now the second one is that I saw that the sea had turned bloody. Now the sea represents Ghana.
When let's say a different bebre no ayen kwasiafo bebre yen kwasiafo aye jimifo yen kwasefo all the one dwen and the kickers and kwasiasem no abusha for mamu akwaba Emra Diamond TV so bomodian so betimi like no subscribe page ne e dia mamena wonim say afi e ya bato afi ensema wodo pina na ana ekọ nukreni prophecy se ba ye no so wutie bi mu dia dodo na akwakoye doom sa na Mama Pat, Agradaa say afi sika wom, sika pani, sika pani. Agradaa say hola me hwa de.
What say ya What say ya dia? Hey, what say ya dia? 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 Obi antena say. What say ya dia? After the yaba pay you. Afisa be. Media ni shira na make count. What say ya dia? Hey, what say ya dia? Odi for. What say ya dia? What say ya dia? What say ya dia? Odi for sanity. Odi for sanity. Odi for sanity. I say she can't be the pump. She can't be Odi for sanity. That's what they are saying. Odi for sanity. The mic if you want this, Odi for sanity. Yeah, that was it. Yes. What are you saying? No, I say she can't be the pump. She can't be the pump. Yes, they are saying. Jesus. Yes. Odi for sanity. Odi. Hallelujah. I receive it. 2024. I get doctors. May you receive it. May you receive it. 2024. On the Christ. My brothers. Odi for. Now, Prophet Azuka, Edi Ababa to say, Afia Batu no dear, Sir NDC Amanyo Kono or Trimupobi say, won't bet me a dinkunima, woman to imagine Uncle Babia. Prophet Azuka say, Uncle Babia, was the NDC, more prequel Uncle Babia. Name assembly or Kafa Baumia on Ehu. What's the same people bedding Kuniman so, BBC Alpha Baumia. Was one who said na assassi pete daho, na a nipa. Every free mupie Sound crofoni never be support to Baumia. Hey 2024 a moon semi a tata labu be pachienko kotieno.
I feel election here, sanity of God. Mahu say MPP, they didn't take a serious airship for. My God. Say MPP, but so much happening in the swamp. I want to perform your own shepherd. So I will go away and will be a sample. Hey, there's a bit of a my Maybe I'm a yɛ dua asase ne so dua asase ne so nyinaa biribiara nsi so asase praadadadada obiara ana wɔn so obi asɔre no so na ɔde adeɛ bɔ hɔ a wɔn nipa firi hɔ pii ɔde adeɛ bɔ hɔ a ne nipa firi hɔ pii ɔde adeɛ bɔ hɔ a ne nipa firi hɔ pii ana mbusa asɛ bi asɛ na ɔso mɛ nhwɛ ade yɛde mi kɔ gyina baabi na yɛ bi ade so ɔfɔ kasa na adeɛ na yɛ bi so ayɛ te sɛ adaka na mi hu ne tenten ana mi hu ne kɛseɛ ten adaka no tententententen yɛtie ɔbɔfo na yɛ bi so ɛmo ate sɛ ma wansakobere ana yɛ bi ɔmo so ana ɔmo abɛgu asase no so na mo sɛ asɛ na mo firi ne fa ne ho ano sɛ antwɛmfoɔ pii na mo sɛ ɔmo sɔfo to ba wia wode ka mo wobɛwɔ nsɛm a ɛkwa na mpipifoɔ dɔm bi bɛpie atoa bi yɛwura ma wɔ bi akyi sɛdeɛ bɔfoɔ no sɛ wɔwɔ no siriti no ɛne sifoɔ no sɛ ɔmɔ wie ɔman Ghana akonya kɛseɛ no ɔmo nim sɛ ɔmɔ wie ame bifoɔ no aso te so mekɔ sɛ
odifo baako a ɔso gya yie paa ayɛ Reverend Badu Kobi wɔpanyin ne buafu utie ne nsɛm a ɔkeka yɛ fa IGP ho kyerɛ sɛ mmere bi kura atwa mu no wɔhyɛ IGP nkɔm sɛ ɔno ana police fo no bi bɛsɔre atia no ma abam na nkadu sɛ ɔpanyin ne ma n'ani da hɔ nanso sɛbi amammuo bɔne ne aban yɛ ɔte so nsɛbi nneɛma bi a ɔmo yɛ nti ama nneɛma nyinaa gye nsɛm wɔ ɔman mi ha sei utie sɛbi ne kasa mu ne sɛ ne osi kasa ɛtwetwe ɛfa Ghana mampani ɛne na mammuo ho na nukure na asefem ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔpanyin no sɛ wotie ne kasa na hwɛ ne dimi na na ɔnwono ɛnwono ɛyawa nkasa hyɛ papa ne mu.
I prophesied Dampare. I thought he would learn sense from it. I'm saying it on the social media for him to hear me. I prophesied him what the police would do, and they have done it to him. We are quite watching them. And this government is what has brought this nonsense. This government, they are getting out of power. Nonsense. Akufo Addo's government, God will punish them. They are going out of power 2024. I'm speaking, I don't fear them. They thought they would bring me down. I'm still here. They can't do anything to me. They would rather go down one after the other. They are losing 2024 elections. If they've thought of stealing it, the stealing won't work. What nonsense is that? Akufo Addo nkwa bedi akunya and to trust someone nkwa. Make us tie me nisro. Se say de membo mpa ye ma oda. Wo ye hwan? Na wonti metuka na me na makuapem na metuka na me nam ha na metuka na me nam ha. Wo Akufo Addo wo betena so ye ho bibibi. Wo ye hwan? Ami me fi omo. Ye nyina wo memu ha. Ombeba form one after the other. Sika no mawi an ombe by force. Kasi esro omo. Maybe be this of now we are president. I be this of many years we be the president and say we ye did this dear be no. They say I'm saying it on the social media. I'm no professor. I say Baumia he won't win.
Odifo baako so Ghana ha sei wata nkompa eke omofia prophet na jegeze onso de ne dia ba betudwa ono so ne prophecy na eja tuato wo panyin ne buafu se wotie ne nsem na nukura ni ano oden wo kire se bibi besi na de besi nyina ne se NDC amanyoko no ebedi nkunimu ewo afia bato onum aya general elections 7 December bato na ebekoso Ghana ha sei no NDC amanyoko ne bedi nkunimu azuka se MPP na jegase se NDC na ono kwampo de o ma instances bi amra na yede president elect ne kwakotena kunya so na BBC ye mo interpretati bomodi na tie bi.
The next prophecy. Akufo I saw a lot of ants eating the flag of NPP. I saw a lot of ants eating the flag of New Patriotic Party. Whilst watching, the greater part of the flag, the greater part were eaten by the ants. And I woke up from my sleep. Let the nation Ghana listen to this prophecy. I am now prophesying. Let the nation of Ghana listen. Let the NDC listen. Let President John. When I'm in the spirit, the Lord does not mention President Mahama. What the name? Then not mention Kwame Dramani should listen. If they drunk with this prophecy, last year I prophesied 30 prophecies. We just watched about 27 of it came to pass. Let Kwame Dramani listen. The Lord whisked my spirit. And when the Lord whisked my spirit, the Lord took me to a place that the Independence Square of Ghana. And when I got to the Independence Square of Ghana, I saw that the whole place was full. And it was like inauguration. It was like an end to an election, and the next president might be sworn in. Whilst looking, I saw a presidential cage. I counted the motor, and it wasn't a vice presidential motorcade, it was a presidential motorcade. I saw that about 4 of the motorcade were broken and destroyed. So bringing the new president, the next president, was a difficult to come to the Independence Square of Ghana. I asked the angel of God that what is the meaning of this? That the angel of the Lord told me that this regime has destroyed a lot of things. And they have destroyed very, very a lot of things. That will go to election. If we don't take care, the inauguration of the next president will delay. I saw that the motorcade were not functioning well. Whilst watching and whilst I was seeing, I saw a strong angel calling me with the right hand. He said that regardless of how weak and spoiled the motorcade is, we will inaugurate the new president. And whilst I looked, I saw the flags of the National Democratic Congress. Watch me. I saw the flags of the National Democratic Congress.
After election prophecies about you, Reverend Owusu Bempa Ababeka Sembi. Abushafo opinion some no kan na anu dempa. What say wo hu moja hwiegu wo hu se na ensutene epo eda ho a aye moja. Na opinion no tie ne nkasa ma na wo kire se afi abato no anhwe ya moja beka agu eni ntedi so man Ghana ye me ni da ho yie pa.
Now, the second one is that I saw that the sea had turned bloody. Now, let me explain this a bit. Now, the sea represents Ghana. Now, the way I saw that the sea had become bloody, the significance of it is that there will be rampant death, spillage of blood in this year. Now I saw the revelation in a proverb. I saw the sea. And I saw sharks fighting wrestling in the sea.
And a fish nsuo bebre wounded.
And as they were fighting and wrestling amongst themselves, other fishes in the sea got wounded. And so the surface of the sea became bloody.
Sa 2024 election.
You see, this year's election, please let's pay attention to this. Do not be so concerned about who is going to win.
But let
us be concerned about the loss of life and the spillage of blood. But if God does not intervene in the state of affairs, in the course of the election, there will be confusion, and it may cause mayhem. And some people will say, we will not accept it. And through that,
na prophet kum chacha trasia unu uza ya nebebu ya nkwasiansem sigana yeso sonsem fon so dodo prophet kum chacha o se de esi na adifo ni na de na omote sai o so omusu ban te sai
when the church say adifo ni bebre no aye nkwasiafo bebre ye nkwasiafo aye jimifo ye nkurasefo o de won wadwen e na kika sa nkwasiasem no me say ya wo good prophet wo kromu a ade bi ye woni good no ya wane bad
and no cre
what am I saying ye wo good prophet wo kromu a ya wo adifo papa to bebre wo kromu a nyame yusu o nyame de wo ye adwuma but nkwasiafo ne na doso kwasiafo no ene doso
abujafo yes senior wie ne be hu chale bomodi anso betimi subscribe page ne no share content ne dia mame 2024 elections ebeba so de be to dwa bia no ye mu aso nsi e wo platform yi so share content no bi so enya bi enya no nko a other rallies programs campaigns awodo be koso nyina no ye de be ma na okuda nchembo ni midin be da se